Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm old and I have to take a bunch of different pills for my cholesterol and whatnot. And so I got myself this 7-day weekly pill organizer. So we're going to check this thing out and see how it looks. Um, I actually, my plan is to use this for several weeks, and I'll show you how. But so we have it here, and it has all the different little sections. So you have, you know, whatever it says Saturday, Friday. I guess it goes in the bottom Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the way through Saturday, and then you have the little boxes here, and these are nice solid boxes. But it would be for you could have it for. I'll show you here. See, it's like a 3 time a day one. But for me, because I only take them in the mornings, I get 3 uses out of it. So this is going to be a 3-week set for me. So what I'm going to do is fill up each of these ones with each compartment for the weeks, and then I'll just always have my pills. So for me, this is going to be 3 weeks, but for somebody else, they could use it morning, noon, and night if they wanted to for the different ones. And what's good about this too is you're able to take the little pill box with you. So if you're going to lunch or something like that, if you know just every day you get up in the morning, you take your box with you, and you've got it for your lunch and your dinner and stuff like that. And then when you come back, you put it back in there at night when you go to sleep. So just you always have your pills. Whoops, always have your pills with you. So it's kind of cool to be able to do that. Let's see, this little section comes out. Not sure why, but let's see if we take it out, what happens. Here, let me take out a couple of these. So yeah, so we can take this out, I guess, so we can clean the back of it, or just a little section here. I guess if you just wanted to keep them on the counter, you could just keep it like that without it being in the box, or use the box however you want. But I will just use it in the whole thing. But it's nice, I would say, nice. Well, actually, probably what I'll do is I'll write Neil's pills on a piece of paper, print it up, and then put this in the back here so then everybody will know it's mine when I take it on the airport or whatnot. Oh, just tear off the protective film. Ooh, look at how satisfying. Very nice. So there we go. And we put these on. And there it is. Very nice. Thumbs up for me.